Welcome to this quick guide. Here is how to recover your Paga password without access to your email address. What you do is open your web browser and go to mypaga.com. mypaga.com. While you are typing, it's most likely to suggest this for you. So you click on it. Then you see on the home page mypaga.com. So you tap into it. Then you click on login. You see a sidebar. Click on it and you see sign up, login and other things. Click on login. Enter your registered phone number or username in the login field. Instead of you to log in directly, just click on forgot password right below the login button. On the recovery options page, select SMS as your preferred method to receive the reset code. Check your phone messages, then copy the verification code sent to your registered phone number and enter it on the screen. Create your new password, confirm it and save changes. And don't forget, if you can access a registered phone number either, just call Paga customer support directly at their phone number for manual identity verification and recovery. That is if you cannot access your registered phone number. Thank you for watching and have a great day.